In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to journal in Notion in under 5 minutes. We're going to walk through a quick and simple way to get a journaling system set up using a template from the Notion marketplace. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use journal space without having to build anything from scratch. First, open Notion on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're logged into your workspace. On the left side of your screen, look for the option that takes you to the Notion marketplace. This is where creators share templates you can plug directly into your own workspace. Go ahead and click on Marketplace to open it. Give it a second to load. It might take a moment depending on your connection. Once the marketplace is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type the word journal. Press enter and Notion will show you a list of journal-related templates created by different people. These might include daily journals, reflection journals, mood trackers, and more. Now scroll through the results and take a moment to skim the template thumbnails and descriptions. You're looking for a template that matches how you want to journal. For example, if you want something quick and simple, choose a daily journaling template that has easy prompts or a clean layout. When you find one you like, click on that template to open its details page. On the template page, you'll usually see a preview of what the journal looks like, along with a short description of how it works. This is a good time to quickly check if it has features you'd enjoy, like daily entries, tags, or reflection questions. Once you're happy with your choice, look for the button that lets you add the template to your workspace. It's typically labeled Add or something similar. Click on Add. Notion will now start copying that template into your own workspace. You may see a few on-screen prompts asking you to confirm which workspace to use, or whether you want to add it to a specific team space or your private pages. Just follow the on-screen instructions, choosing the workspace or space where you want your journal to live. After the prompts are done, the journal template will open inside your Notion workspace. From here, you can start customizing it, or simply begin writing your first entry right away.